Word families, reading exercises. Welcome to the Word Families Learning Game Challenge. Look at each word carefully and read aloud along with us. Let's play. AM family words. Words that end with A, M. Look at each word carefully, read aloud, and learn along with us. Ham. The spelling is H-A-M. Ham. Jam. The spelling is J-A-M. Jam. Pam. The spelling is P-A-M. Pam. Sam. The spelling is S-A-M. Sam. Ram. The spelling is R-A-M. Ram. Yam. The spelling is Y-A-M. Yam. Bam. The spelling is B-A-M. Bam. Lamb. The spelling is L-A-M. Lamb. Tam. The spelling is T-A-M. Tam. AD family words. Words that end with A-D. Look at each word carefully, read aloud, and learn along with us. Had. The spelling is H-A-D. Had. Bad. The spelling is B-A-D. Bad. Sad. The spelling is S-A-D. Sad. Lad. The spelling is L-A-D. Lad. Pad. The spelling is P-A-D. Pad. Wad. The spelling is W-A-D. Wad. Dad. The spelling is D-A-D. Dad. Mad. The spelling is M-A-D. Mad. Fad. The spelling is F-A-D. Fad. AB family words. Words that end with A, B. Look at each word carefully, read aloud, and learn along with us. Nab. The spelling is N-A-B. Nab. Jab. The spelling is J-A-B. Jab. Cab. The spelling is C-A-B. Cab. Sab. The spelling is S-A-B. Sab. Lab. The spelling is L-A-B. Lab. Tab. The spelling is T-A-B. Tab. Gab. The spelling is G-A-B. Gab. Dab. The spelling is D-A-B. Dab. Fab. The spelling is F-A-B. Fab. AR family words. Words that end with A-R. Look at each word carefully, read aloud, and learn along with us. Car. The spelling is C-A-R. Car. Jar. The spelling is J-A-R. Jar. War. The spelling is W-A-R. War. Bar. The spelling is B-A-R. Bar. Far. The spelling is F-A-R. Far. Par. The spelling is P-A-R. Par. Tar. The spelling is T-A-R. Tar. Mar. The spelling is M-A-R. Mar. Lar. The spelling is L-A-R. Lar. Well done, little genius. We hope you learned something new today. Thank you for watching and having fun. Please like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos.